Hi, this is George Mueller, and I wanted to give you guys kind of an update on the research project, which I'm minimizing. A couple things I've got to say. I have to apologize about being kind of unavailable at a number of points this semester. As you guys know, I've been really fighting an illness, and I'm going to be coughing. Uh, More on that in a little bit. But I am finishing the class out, so there are a couple things that we need to do. The first is the formal assignment for the research paper. Originally, it was going to be a longer paper. I'm squishing it down to 3 to 10 pages. And yes, this is shorter than it usually would be for this class, but that's okay. We're still within our requirements for writing, so we can do that. You need to have at least 3 sources. That is reduced from before. And other than that, pardon me. Other than that, it remains the same. The idea is that you should give the research, take a look at the research that you've done, and come to some conclusion about your topic, and then tell me about it. Even in this very short kind of format, you could tell me about the historical event, the concept, whatever it is. And I am pushing this back to the very last possible moment because I know you guys have probably been holding off to hear more from me before you really did the meat and potatoes of this assignment. It's still worth a lot of points, so you still do need to do it, and I cannot overstress that. And I pushed it back so it's due at the absolute last possible moment. I'm hoping people turn them in early, but if not, I can still get them graded in that time frame. Pardon me. So, one thing I do want to stress is that you do need to use internal citations, in-text MLA citations. I am going to be giving you back your paper 1 with comments, and I've been holding off on doing that until now so that when you're revising this paper, you have those comments about revision. So those will be coming over the next week. I also need to point out that, pardon me, next Wednesday and Thursday, unfortunately, I'm going to be taken out of commission for a couple of days again. So definitely expect to see things before then. If you have any questions, feel free to give me an email, feel free to send me a text. Otherwise, do your best with this research paper. I realize we're kind of pushing it to the end. I can't stress enough, feel free to contact me if you need help with it. So it's been a rough semester, but we're at the very tail end of it. You're kind of at the tail end of a 4 years of fun. So we'll get through this together. And if you need anything, let me just stress again, contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.